Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make bhujiya. That is, you can see this is parwal. I have cut it in this size. Today I am going to make parwal and potato mix bhujiya. And the potatoes also have cut up over here. You can see it. So I am going to make the bhujiya today. I hope you all will like it. So please, if you are new to my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. Put some mustard oil. I have taken some black jeera. You can see this. I will put this in. I have chopped up one onion and 3 green chilies over here. This also I will put in the oil. Fry the onions properly. Friends, the onions are turned brown. You can see it. You can see it's turned brown. Now I will put in the parwal. Put in the potatoes also. Put in the salt to taste. Put some turmeric powder. And mix it well. Cover it up and let it fry. This way, friends, I will fry the bhujiya. I will not use water. Friends, you can see how nicely it's frying. The potato and the parwal mix. Bhujiya. The parwal and potato mix bhujiya is ready. You can see it. Friends, the parwal and potato mix bhujiya is ready. You can see it, how nice it's looking. You can have it with chapatis, paratas. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.